Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a simple wholesome loaf. This bread comes together with just a few ingredients. The key ingredient is honey and rolled oats. Let's start. Take a large mixing bowl or the stand mixer bowl. Combine together warm milk, warm water, yeast and honey to it. Mix well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now add rolled oats and whole wheat flour to the mixture. Also add some salt and olive oil. Now mix everything well with the help of a stand mixer to form a dough. Remember, this dough will be sticky. Once needed, transfer the dough to a greased bowl. The bowl should be greased with some olive oil. Cover it and let it rest for an hour. After 1 hour, the dough is doubled in size. Now on a working platform, dust some flour. Transfer the dough to this wooden platform. With the help of very little flour on your hand, spread the dough evenly. Now sprinkle some rolled oats over the dough. You can skip this part. As shown in the video, you have to roll the dough to form a log. Transfer this log to a lined bread loaf tin. Be very gentle while handling the dough. Cover and let it sit for the second rise for around 45 minutes to 1 hour again. After an hour, you can see the dough has risen again. Now give it a milk wash. Sprinkle some oats over it. By the time, preheat your oven and let this bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes. Once baked, apply a generous amount of butter or clarified butter over the top. Brush it properly. Again, cover the loaf and allow it to cool at room temperature for some time. Unmold the loaf and remove the parchment paper. You can see that the bread is baked nicely. Slice the bread only when it is completely cooled at room temperature. To get nice clean slice of bread, always use a serrated knife. You can see the texture of bread. It has come out great. Enjoy it guilt-free. Make toast and sandwiches with it. Thanks for watching.